Rolling cameras in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nobody gon' do your body like me.
What's up, Ray Mob? It's your boy Candy. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, Meg Thee Stallion and
Bad Bitch B
got a song coming. They remix Savage, Beyonce, and Megan. I gotta be dreaming. God, is this you? I gotta be dreaming. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. But today we are going to be reacting to Megan Thee Stallion and Beyonce's Savage remix.
Oh, Lord Jesus, thank you for making that into my life.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. Let's I don't know what else to say. Let's just hop into the video. Okay, let's see what they're giving. No. Now Beyonce starting off the song. Okay, let's continue. We only 3 seconds in. 3 seconds in and she's already serving us. 3 seconds in.
Me, and turn this motherfucker up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, on appetite. I'm a savage, attitude nasty, talk big.
This is not the original Savage, babe. Megan rewrote she wrote a whole new verse. A whole new verse. She said no. They said, we are coming to serve you today. We are coming to serve you. We are coming to snatch wigs. We are coming to kill. That's what they are doing. That's
on my bank account matching. Hood but I'm classy, rich but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging. Bougie. He say the way that thing move is a movie. I told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, me the room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch, I'm Tunchi. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans.
cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Cut! Beyonce! What do you know about OnlyFans? And what you know about Demon Time? See, Beyonce watching y'all. What do you know about OnlyFans? Got me hot. Had to cut the fan on. Jesus.
Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain.
She said, if you don't jump to put jeans on, you don't feel her pain. You don't feel it. She need to say it one more time for y'all.
Gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. Yeah.
Did she say you got this from who? Kill me now. Kill me now. Production, cut the cameras. I'm done. I'm done filming. Cut the lights off. Cut the lights off. You got it from
want a bitch like the Stallion with the knees. He be like,
okay, vocal.
They ain't moving in the jeans. Even D4L couldn't do it like me,
Beyonce. Beyonce.
You done lost your damn mind. When you get your damn mind, you call me.
Go back into hibernation, babe. Go on back in that $10 million mansion in Bel Air. Go on. Just go on back with your bulletproof windows, your kids, your 3 kids. Just go on, Beyonce, go on. You can't be on her doing that. Oh. I need a blunt and I don't smoke. Oh God.
This body ready just for you. But I hope you don't catch me messing around with you. Talking to myself in the mirror like, bitch, you're my boo. I'm the shit, ooh. I need a mop to clean the floors, too much drip, ooh. I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep it real, ooh. Let's play a game, Simon says I'm still that bitch, ayy.
She's still that bitch.
I'm savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening?
They asking for the queen, they bought some cameras in here. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage, no comparison here. I'ma flip my hair and look back while I twerk in the mirror. All this money in a room, think some scammers in here. I'm coming straight up out that third eye, whip the whip like I stirred it. Wood grain, we swerving, keeping his mind all on these curves. Coop fly like a bird, hold on him like birds. Always keep my words, no I don't do crosswords. Stallion with the writing like them hot girls, them kids. I hop that shit the way I hopped up and slid. I pop my shit, now watch me pop again.
She said, watch me pop again. Pop again.
Me sweep up these ends. Savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?
I'm a savage. It's the Stallion and the beat. FaceTime going down.
Yeah, I'm done. You don't. Beyonce knows Carter. You do not end a song like that. Megan's only been out for almost 2 years. And she got a feature with Beyonce? With Beyonce? That's a once in a lifetime chance, barely. That's a one in a million chance that you can get a feature with Beyonce. Oh wow. I'm appalled. I died.
Jesus, why? Tell me why!
Take me to the king. I don't have much to bring. Beyonce just killed me with her vocals on this remix. Ooh, child. Beyonce. Megan. Now when Beyonce drops this, when Megan drops this album, Beyonce better be on there. Beyonce better be on there. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe on the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for the next video. Peace.